Welcome to 124 Oakpointe Drive. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a 2-car garage, covered front porch, and laminated hardwood flooring inside. Sits on a nice sized lot with mature trees in the Oakpointe subdivision in Lexington, near the Red Bank area, convenient to I-20, Lexington amenities, as well as Lexington 1 schools. So we're out front. You can see you have a nice front yard here, some mature trees. There's a sidewalk on both sides of the streets, or both sides of the street rather, excuse me. And you have a 2-car wide driveway on the left side leading up to 2-car garage, and a nice covered front porch that runs along the right side of the front of the house as well. So we'll take a look inside. So you have tile flooring here in the foyer as you come in. Sort of a neat foyer design. There's a coat closet back behind the door there. And then you have the living room or family room space off of the foyer and entry. So you have a ceiling fan in here. Couple of windows at the front, and then one sort of towards the back, towards the dining room. You can see the stairs going up to the second level, and then also a path through to the kitchen on that side. Then you have a formal dining room, chair rail molding. And then flows into the kitchen, which is an eat-in kitchen. So you can see a nice sized eat-in area here. And then you have access to the backyard space if we can get you outside. So out back you have a really nice backyard. It's not fenced, but you do have some nice trees here on the right side, kind of giving you some separation. And then it backs up to a wooded area back there as well. And you have a patio as well as a really nice storage shed here up against the house that's pretty large and tall inside. Could also be used for a workshop as well. And then back inside, open kitchen design. You have wood cabinets and white appliances, built-in microwave, smooth top electric range, dishwasher, and side-by-side refrigerator. Nice extra countertop and cabinet space there by the fridge as well. And also you have a small pantry in here also. Then right off the kitchen you have a laundry closet. It's a full-size washer dryer connections in here. And there's a shelf above also where you access the 2-car garage. So we can get you a little bit more light in there. You have some shelving in here as well. That's a smaller mid-sized SUV parked in there right now, just to give you an idea of the amount of space. Alright, and then right next door, half bathroom, single vanity, and commode. And then all the bedrooms are on the second level. So carpeting starts here. And then upstairs, off the landing, you have a nice little nook here, so perfect for a little seating area, or also could work for a small office space as well. You have a nice chandelier there in the stairwell, and also an attic pull down. Master bedroom is here to the right, off the landing, faces the front of the property. You have a ceiling fan in here, a couple windows to the front yard, and nice closet. Nice walk-in closet with shelving on the right side. You have a window in here also. And then your full bathroom is on the opposite side. You have a single sink and vanity with the seating area. Garden tub and shower, as well as a walk-in style linen closet here. And the commode is on the opposite side over there. Alright, and then we'll go just continue on around the hall. So linen closet here. Apologize for the light in here. It sort of goes from light to dark a lot. We have a second bedroom here, which is a really nice size. And closet. Bedroom number 3. So all 3 of the bedrooms in the home are pretty large. And then last but not least, your second full bathroom with a single vanity and a shower and tub back here. And the toilets are blocked by a half wall there. So that completes our tour of this home, 124 Oakpointe Drive in Lexington. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.